Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to clear your Facebook browsing data on your iPhone, specifically for iOS 18 and later versions. Clearing this data can help resolve issues like slow loading times and intermittent browsing problems within the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook application on your iPhone. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's represented by three short horizontal lines. Tap on it to access your Facebook account menu. From the menu, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. This will reveal a submenu. From this submenu, select Settings. Within the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Under this section, you'll find Browser. Tap on Browser to access your in-app browser settings. Here you'll see your browsing data. Next to it, there's a Clear button. Tap this button. This action will clear your iPhone's cookies and cache from websites you've visited using Facebook's in-app browser. Clearing this data can significantly improve your browsing experience within the Facebook app. This is especially useful if you've noticed sluggish behavior while viewing links or web pages within Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Facebook browsing data on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.